beginning of the build-out.
It's a pleasure. Thank you, sir.
Cap Swag family, what's good? What's good? We're back for another video. This one is a little bit different of a video. So every so often online, I'll get asked some questions. I'll get asked, what is a brim made out of, right? What is the overall material that's used on the hat? How is a hat made? Really, really detailed questions that in all honesty, sometimes catch me off guard. So in this video, we're gonna do something a little different. This video is the deconstruction of a fitted by Cap Swag Customs. I want to introduce to you guys our head of pattern making, Antwon.
Hi, I'm Antwon. This is the deconstruction of a fitted.